Yeah, no, that makes sense. That definitely makes sense. And I think it'd be less like wear and tear too. I mean, just like all the way around it. It's yeah,
Well,
totally.
heat strips burn out all the time too, right? The
Yeah,
more the more that you use the backup heat, the higher chance of that of going out, right? And that's
yeah,
a pretty common issue that we see
hmm,
because we test heat pump function
yeah,
and then we also test the backup function to make sure everything's working right. And
yeah,
it's not uncommon for us to test the backup function and either it's not working or it's not working well,
yeah.
because they're running the system like that. It burns the heat strips out. Like it's not designed to heat your house consistently over time.
Yeah, no, that definitely makes sense. That I mean that and that's interesting. Learned a few things new
Yeah,
today.
it's
So
there.
that's
If you
exciting.
just think of like your
Yeah.
backup furnace is there as a supplement, not your primary.
Yeah, no, that totally makes sense. And that's so interesting. And also cost wise, I mean, I didn't think about,
Mhm.
when you hear people, they're like, they raise it a
And
lot.
it's the same thing with air conditioning in the summer too, right? Like,
Yeah.
I mean, air conditioning is meant to maintain
Hmm.
temperature,
Yeah.
right? The more that you fluctuate things, the more it's going to cost because like if you keep your temperature higher and then try to bring it back down, like the system's working harder because it's trying to pull humidity out of the air and
Yep.
like all those different things. So like keeping things steady
Yep.
is where that system is going to maximize its efficiency.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely agree with that. And that totally makes sense. Definitely some things I've learned today.